Welcome, today in front of me SONY Xperia 1 Mark IV, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So let's just first open the notification panel, and after that here you should see all the visible icons. If you wanna add here some icons or remove some of them, we should click here on this edit icon here, and that's we have here this down section with invisible icons. If you wanna add some icons from here to your notification panel, for example the alarm on, hold it and drag it here to this up section to add it here by this way. So let's also use the storage here to remove some icons from notification panel by the same way. Just hold it and drag it to this down section, and to change the positions also just nothing new, all you just should hold it and drag it by this way. And to save the changes, just go back here, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.